No, I have 2 dimes. That's why I was wondering if you're gonna feed a fish. I know, I'm getting them on film.
They're saying, feed me, please feed me.
Get a job, get a job. You goofy ducks.
My mother.
Hey, I sound like your mother. I don't think
Get a job.
I don't think your mother sounds like a man. Sharon, what in God's green earth did you do those 2 ducks?
Mating season. They're trying to show who's the dominant male. Either after that female.
No. They better get a room. Go to the Hilton.
they'll check it just to make sure before they put it out and possibly give it to the other cat. That's all. So yeah, a lot of them don't get checked.
Was a little bit.
Yeah. Or yeah. It's okay.
Oh, that's this.
Yeah, that's the paperwork for her. I'm just gonna grab one drink.
But they're such pet lovers.
If they were 3 or 4, I would say
I don't know.
Lily's cute. She's a little girl. She was one of our workers here. Took her home and adopted her as a foster. I'm sorry, took her as a foster when she was old enough to be adopted. They brought her back. Somebody took her and adopted her, and then brought her back because they were allergic to her.
Millie has been around the dog, so maybe when you around the baby, they can't. But the little,
Yeah.
the little one's really cute too. But like furry, kind of like Bumper was a little bit, like that crazy fur. But is just a regular cat. What do you think?
I don't even know if she might be back.
Millie's short haired. Yeah, Millie's
You're welcome to open her up and look at her again.
yeah, Millie does not like that.
She's smiling.
Hello. Hi, Mom. How are you feeling? Are you? Alright. So there's 2 here. There's a little one that's 3 months old. That's all black. She's cute. And then there's one that's another one that's